Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. Today it's all about Korean barbecue kebabs, and this episode starts right now. Okay guys, welcome back. As you can see, I don't have my sidekick with me. Kids will be kids. He's in his room doing things, and that's okay. It's expected. I never want to force my kids to do anything they don't want to. So if he's not in the mood, he's not in the mood, and that's okay. And I'm sure all you parents out there can relate and totally understand and agree. So, as I mentioned, today we're making Korean barbecue kebabs. Yum! And they are going to be grilled. You can make them outside on your grill, or if you have a smokeless grill, as I do, you can make them inside. So let me show you the ingredients, guys. Very simple. Check this out. Today, I'm going to be using some beautiful filet mignon fillets. We're going to use for our kebabs a purple onion, some green peppers. We're going to use some baby bella mushrooms. I'm also going to use some chunked pineapple, which I put some of the pineapple juice in here for our marinade. We are going to use garlic, fresh garlic, rice wine vinegar, sesame seed oil, some ground ginger, some soy sauce, and some brown sugar, guys. In actuality, what I'm going to do right now, so you can watch me, is I'm going to create the marinade in my handy dandy little chopper. So watch this, guys. Check it out. All right, so this is going to be the onion for our kebabs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my knife. Always remember, guys, make sure that you're on a steady surface. You don't want to hurt yourself. For those of you that follow me, I have a video on how to use, on having knife skills. You guys can check it out. So I'll put it up above here in the captions. Okay, guys, so what I'm going to do is, since I'm going to put this in my little mini food processor right here, and I know a lot of people that can't have seeds like that, so, you know, it comes with age, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and coarsely put that in there. I usually have a little garbage bowl here, but since I don't have it now, I clean as I cook. I keep my kitchen clean as I cook, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1, 2, and 3. I like to make it easier like this. We're going to whisk it anyway to dissolve it. But I like to do it this way because it's all incorporated and it makes it a lot easier. So now our soy sauce, you guys know that when you buy soy sauce, it comes with a little thing. I just take the lid off. It's a lot easier. It's less of a mess, and that way you have your 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. So 3 and 3. 3 soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. We have our onion. Now we are going to grab, let me cover this baby in case I knock it over. So now we're going to grab a spoon, and we're going to grab our 2 cloves of garlic. This garlic is so wonderful, and I just find it so convenient when I'm cooking, so it really works. So that's about equivalent to 2 cloves. Do that. Then we're going to grab our teaspoon of ginger. That's good. All right, so now I'm going to put this together. It's going to be pretty loud, so actually this chopper is great, and it's not really loud, so that's what I love about it. So now I'm mixing this, guys. So what I always like to do is always have the marinade in your mix first. As I mentioned, about 1.5 tablespoons of the pineapple juice. Put that in there. Whisk this a little bit to dissolve it. To dissolve the sugar. Finish dissolving the sugar. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to throw in here my meat, vegetables, which is our mushrooms, our peppers, and our purple onion. I'm also going to grab 2 or 3 of these. Believe it or not, I have so many here, you're probably wondering, is because I'll take 2 or 3 of these and I'll put them on my smokeless grill. I'll show you to add more flavor to the grill. So that's a great tip. But for now, I'm just going to grab these. And this is for our marinade. So we're going to go ahead and cut the tips off and just coarsely chop it. Chop it nice and big. That's fine. And just drop it in there. It's just for part of our marinade, guys. Alright, so we've got that. Now we've got our square pieces of pepper. I'm using green today. This is part of what we're going to skewer. So that. And grab it like that. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect. You know, this is it's coarse, and you know, look at this is the end of the pepper. I can use these two on a skewer. I can cut that end off and use that, and I can use that. So now we are going to grab our onion. We're also going to cut our onion into big chunks. I hope you guys are liking this so far. This is so yum yum. We're going to marinate this for about 20 minutes. I'm going to chop my onion. I'm going to chop a piece of my onion. And then I'm going to, oops, oh, that one almost took off. Oh my goodness. Got our onion here. So I'm going to cut it in 4. Be very careful, please. Cut it in 4. And all we do is just take it apart. Look at that. Just take it apart. So simple. And I'm going to mix this in. Wow, this smells so good already. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my God. Look at that so far. I don't even have the meat in there. It just smells so delicious, you guys. It's going to smell so good in here soon. Now I'm going to grab about 1.5 cups of our chunked pineapple. We're going to drop it in there because we want all this stuff to be with our delicious marinade. So when we start skewering it, be very careful though to be very kind when you're mixing because we have those pineapples in there, guys. Don't forget, and we're also going to have our mushrooms. Now the mushrooms, I have a wet paper towel here. You can just clean your mushrooms with a wet paper towel. These are Baby Bella's, my favorite. Always remember, mushrooms absorb water a lot, so do not run these underwater because it will make your skewers to be very watery, and that's not really going to grill properly. So just pass a little napkin. These are pretty much pre-washed where I buy them, but Bella's in half. So that way they will go ahead and hold up on our skewers, guys. Look at this. Look at this beautiful medallion. Look at that. Beautiful filet mignon. I mean, it's just absolutely delicious. So this is how I'm going to cut this. Watch. We're going to cut them into squares. So I'm going to do this. Watch. We like them medium, so just cut a piece, and you can cut them in like little triangle shapes. See that? That's perfect. Look at that filet. It's beautiful. I'm going to have, that's going to be already marinated. I will have my smokeless grill ready on top of my stove, heat it up, and I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on it, and I'm going to go ahead and throw some green onions on there to add some flavor to our grill because I'm all about adding flavors. That's a great tip. I really will tell you it'll make a big difference. And we're going to have our kebabs ready. I'm going to have them on a plate. We're going to grill them, and you guys, you don't want to miss this. So you don't want to miss this, you guys. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back, and I left 1 kebab. I've got my smokeless grill on, and I have my onions on there with some olive oil. Check that out. Keep in mind, if you don't have these metal skewers, make sure that you, if you use the wooden ones, make sure you soak them in water for at least an hour. Look at this. How's that looking? Korean barbecue kebabs with tenderloin. Yum, yum. So I left one so we can do it together, okay? So I'm going to grab a piece of meat. It's very repetitive. It's very simple. Be careful with the tips if you're using metal because they're sharp and they'll rip a hole through your finger, just in case, or your hand or your finger. So I'm going to grab an onion. See all that? Look at all that marinade. Yum. Leave it on there. It's yummy. I'm going to look for a pepper in my bowl. I'm going to look for a pineapple. Check this out. A pineapple. Got a pineapple in there so far. Now I'm going to grab another nice piece of meat. This is beautiful. This tenderloin is so beautiful. Oh my God. Hurt yourself. Look at that. How does that look, guys? So now, guys, watch how cool this is. Okay, guys, so now watch how cool this is. Check this out. This is my smokeless grill. So I'm going to go ahead and take my little onions off. Added some flavor to our grill. I'm going to go ahead and drizzle a little bit more olive oil, not a lot. You can hear how it sizzles. Yum. And we are going to place our kebabs on the grill. You hear that sizzle? Woo! Oh my gosh, I love that smell. I mean, I love that sound. Look at that. We got 4 beautiful kebabs. I'm going to do 2 this way and 2 that way. And look at that, guys. Not a drop of smoke. Is that like the most beautiful thing ever or what? Wow. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cook each side for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to turn them with my tongs. I'm going to turn them. In the interim, though, what I'm going to do is to keep some of that heat in there, since I'm using this particular grill, I'm going to put a lid on it. Put a lid on it, and when I come back, you're going to see how beautiful. I'm going to turn them so you can see how beautiful, how caramelized the bottom side is that we are working on right now with the brown sugar and the, oh, it smells so good in here, you guys. My family's probably freaking out right now, I promise you that. So you guys, let's leave these babies for 5 minutes. My rice is on. When I come back, we're going to turn them. This is going to be done in no time, and you guys, yum, you don't want to miss this. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back for a minute, and it smells so good in here. I just turned them with my tongs. Look at that. How's that starting to look? You hear the sizzle? So I bumped on my wireless grill, I bumped it up to 450. And you see not a drop of, let me turn this baby up. There it is. Oh my God, this smells so good. Not a drop of smoke, guys. So now, guys, I'm going to grab my brush. And we're going to grab some of our leftover marinade, which we also have some meat left in there, which I'll use tomorrow. And we are going to do this. I'm going to take them off my smokeless grill. I'm going to grab my plate, and I'm going to show you how I plate my Korean barbecue kebabs. And you guys, this is so delicious and so simple to make. Yeah, it's a little prep, but not a big deal. So stay tuned, guys. Come back, stay with me, because you don't want to miss this yum yum dish. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back and my mouth is watering as always. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at this. I need to show you guys this. Look at that. Look at those beautiful Korean barbecue kebabs. Oh my God. So what I did, guys, is I put myself some white rice on a plate. I always try to make it look pretty because I'm all about plating. So this is how we are going to plate it, okay? We have our rice right here. Let me make this look pretty because I like it for it to look pretty. Okay, now I'm going to be careful. Make sure you grab your tongs. We're going to grab our tongs, and we are going to grab a fork that I should have grabbed a second ago that I didn't. All right. So I'm going to grab my tongs right here on the big side of our kebab. I'm going to grab our tongs, and I'm just going to shoo it out with the fork. There we go. Oh, wait a second. I got a little piece of pineapple there that I need. Look at that. Oh, my goodness gracious. I'm going to grab that. Now we are going to grab, look at how beautiful that is. Oh, my God. Grab some green onions, guys, and put some green onions all over it. And voila. Look at that, guys. What do you think? Is that like amazing, or what is that? That's amazing. I absolutely just love it. Look at that. So now I'm going to taste. Yum. I love purple onion. Look at me with my, just stabbing it. Bam, stabbing that sucker. I'm going to grab myself a green pepper, and I'm going to try to grab a little bit of rice. Like that. Oh my God. Guys, my mouth is watering. It's hot. Oh my God. You guys, please buy tenderloin to make this. It's so worth it. Remember, you guys, don't forget your delight. This is my odorless, tasteless CBD that I use. It's not a cure for anything. I'm such a good customer that I have my own promo code. I'll put it right here on the screen. It's promo code Stovetop Yum Yum. Put it here. It's odorless and tasteless, so it'll be all with my meal. This plate will be gone. So, put it there. Look at that. It's kind of like, I kind of treat it like salting my plates. Anyway, I won't stop eating, guys. So, guys, always remember, barbecue, anything you do, whether you grill or you cook on the stovetop or in the oven, always remember to incorporate your two main ingredients, which are, that's right, passion and love. And your dish will not fail. I don't care where you come from. I don't care what you look like, what your kitchen looks like. Your recipe, I repeat, will not fail. It will not fail. And guys, also remember that if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to comment. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, don't forget to smash that subscribe button right now. And don't forget the bell so you don't miss any episodes, you guys. And another great thing that I want to share with you guys is my cookbook will be coming out at the end of April. And we are also, my husband and I are launching our own Stovetop Yum Yum merch that we will be producing ourselves. So we're working on a line right now. We should be up and running by the middle of May. You guys, you don't want to miss that. It's going to be so incredible. My website's being revised right now. It's just going to be great. I'm so excited. I have so many beautiful dreams and so many beautiful goals. And always remember, dreams come true. But don't stop dreaming. That's why dreams don't come true. Keep on pushing. Keep on moving. Always remember, as I always say, look for the sunshine. Look for people that shine, people that are positive and confident in their life. Stand in the light. Stand with them. And you will prevail, you guys. And as always, you guys, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, hopefully with me and my sidekick, if not with me, I will be back, or we will be back, and we'll see you then, you guys. Take great care. Bye.